Mika sees a rabbit. And she knows if she runs, the little rabbit's gonna run away. Are you sneaking, Mika? Are you sneaking? Okay, that's close enough. We want to be nice to the little bunny. Boy, that's hard, isn't it? How about if we sit? This is some desensitization training right here. Mika was on her own for a month or two. Had to fend for herself. So she has a real hard time now in letting opportunities like this pass her by. But we're working on it. She's doing really well. That little bunny there just doesn't know how lucky he is. Very lucky bunny. Okay, we're going to attempt to walk past the bunny. Come on, you can do this. Good girl, come on. Come with me. Don't worry about the bunny. Come with me. Oh, the bunny's showing us his tail. Okay, now can we go back to walking? All right, good job. Oh, you want to smell where he was? Okay. All right, let's get back to walking.